How to delete Pinterest history. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can delete your Pinterest search history. So let's get into it. You can open up your Pinterest on your laptop PC or on your mobile phone. You can do this on any device, iOS or Android. So once you open up your Pinterest, then this is where you will get. Let's say I search for something on Pinterest and I can search for maybe aesthetic wallpaper, and there you go. Now it has been added in my search history. So the easiest way to manually delete a search is you select here and then it shows you your history. What you will do is you'll just click on this cancel button and it will get rid of the history that you have. You can see like this. So this is how we manually delete our search history on Pinterest. But there's another way. You can go to your profile here, click on these three dots at the top, click on settings, and then in settings you're going to click on privacy and data, and you're going to scroll all the way down to clear app cache. So this is also a way to delete your history. So you can click on clear and then you can see app cache cleared. Now you can refresh and your history will be deleted. This is how we delete search history on Pinterest. I hope it works for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.